I got a new exhaust. This is an installation video. I'm just gonna open up this box and see what it's like. If you've seen my previous video, I had a Stilo version of this Leo Vinci exhaust on the scooter, and it's just rusting away. Like every time I blast it, I've blasted 3 times now at this stage, painted with all sorts of things, and it's actually arguably that's been more expensive than just buying a new exhaust. I really like the stock look of that exhaust, but look, I had to do something about it. So I bought this TT, Leo Vinci TT exhaust. So let's see what it's like. It just came in. It was about €120, so not expensive. I actually had ordered a ZX exhaust for the bike, but because of Brexit and everything else, I couldn't get it. So let's see what this one's like. Very good. It comes with rollers. So it comes with rollers. 4.3 gram. A mounting kit with an exhaust gasket as well. It's handmade, TT handmade. Clutch springs. I actually have these already in the bike. And then the exhaust itself. I'm hoping that this will last a bit longer. Oh, it is nice. There it is. Up. Right. Yeah, it is very nice. What metal it is it? I'm not sure. It looks like it's lacquered. Stainless steel, I don't think it's stainless steel. I'll have a look now in a minute, but it's nice. Shiny. Has a nice little logo, Leo Vinci, on the back. The silencer is bolted on. Looks good. I just don't think it's going to fit though. This is supposed to be for a... interesting. This fitment, this angle, I don't think it's going to fit. Okay, so I had a quick look because I got a bit of a shock when I opened this up. This arrangement, this header, as you can see, will not fit a CW50. I bought this for the Yamaha Spy. It will not fit it. They obviously sent me the wrong one. This model is the 4079 is the model for this one, and it says it's Bws Next Generation Zuma 50. It's most likely a new Zuma, kind of 2004, maybe 2005 model. Aerox is another bike that this might probably fit, or maybe Neos or Veto as it's called, depending where you live. This isn't the air-cooled vertical Minarelli engine. So, but anyway, regardless, the exhaust is more or less identical. The only difference is here, the actual header. So, it does say on the description when I bought this that it's aluminium. Now, it's not aluminium. The only part aluminium here is this part here. Everything else is steel. And I had a magnet here a second ago, and now I can't find it. But anyway, trust me, this is all steel. And what they've done here to protect it from getting rusty is they've just sprayed it with a lacquer, a clear lacquer. So this is all just lacquered, and unless you scratch it, it'll be okay. But once you scratch it, then you have an issue. It'll start rusting wherever you've scratched it. Now, the other thing you can see, it says it's handmade, and what they mean by that is this welding here, as you can see all around here, is hand welded. This here as well. So that's all they mean, that it's you know, the diffuser is, as you can see, the diffuser here is welded, hand welded. So is the header, and then you've got a baffle cone. Not sure how that's welded. That there at the end of the baffle cone here, that's also hand welded. So look, exhaust is nice, no issues with it. It just happens to be the wrong exhaust for my bike. So what I will do is I'll send this one back, I'll get the right one in, and I'll do a fitting video. Now there is another model for this exhaust. Leo Vinci make a ZX model. It's a little bit up from it. Slightly better performance, the ZX, to this one. So depending what you're looking for, this is kind of a more steady power delivery. The ZX is a little more aggressive. So yeah, look, depends what you're looking for. This will do probably about 9 horsepower or thereabouts, maybe 10, depending on the tuning of the bike, obviously, and the kit that you have on that, and all the other bits that come with it. But yeah, look, I just want to show you this exhaust because I actually haven't seen much videos or much even photographs of this. All I've seen is what's on the website. There's some nice little touches. There's nice little what you call logos here and there. So it's a tasteful enough exhaust, and the fact that that's aluminium, you won't have any issues with rust up at the silencer there. So yeah, look, that's it for this video. If I have any updates, I'll put them in the description. For those who are considering this exhaust or some other maybe, at least you get to see it. It was quite cheap. I think I got it all in for about €120 from Germany. So I've seen the ZX for sale for a lot cheaper than that, somewhere in the UK, but due to Brexit and all the messing that's gone with that, it turned out to be a lot more expensive. So yeah, okay, that's that.